We're going to install the Designer Barn Door Hardware Kit by National Hardware.
The interior door set is a simple yet versatile way to add style and privacy to any room without the help of a professional. Here's what we'll need. Using a level, mark a center horizontal line and align the track to mark the drill holes. You'll need an extra set of hands to hold this track in place to mark the location for the holes. If you don't have an extra set of hands, we recommend fastening one end of the track to the header board, then swing up the opposite end of the track and fasten it to the header board. Drill the holes where marked and install the fasteners for the left and right sides of the track. Now we'll prepare the door. 2 floor guide options are included in National Hardware's barn door kits. The single floor guide requires that you mortise a groove in the bottom of the door with a router. The double floor guide does not. Also included is a wall mount guide that is mounted onto the wall or baseboard. To install the hangers, position the supplied template on the front of the door and align with the top edge of the door. Make sure the template is 2 inches and parallel to the door edge. Mark the holes in the templates and repeat on the other end of the door. Drill the marked holes through the door and install the hangers. Do not over-tighten. Next, you have to install the anti-jump discs. Center the disc on the top edge of the door, a minimum of 2 inches away from the inside edge of the hanger. Make sure the hole is closest to the front of the door. Do the same on the other side. Rotate the anti-jump discs out of the way when placing the door on the track. Make sure the door is level when installed. Test for smooth sliding, then rotate the anti-jump discs back into place. Once the guide is installed, slide the door to the closed position. Slide the first door stop onto the track so it touches the door. Tighten the set screws to secure it in place, and then do the same with the second door stop.
Thanks to the Designer Barn Door Hardware Kit, we not only created space, we also added beauty and style to what would have otherwise been a plain door. And, best of all, no professional needed. These kits are perfect for any home DIY project.
National Hardware. Inspiration made easy.